welcome to this channel. So we're gonna unbox this robot cleaner. Let's open it. It's really hard. Okay guys, we're gonna open the robot vacuum cleaner. Let's open it. Okay guys, we're gonna take it off. Okay guys, we're gonna guys, let's look at the instructions. This is a charging station where the robot's going to be charged. So where the water goes. Now it's enough. Working really good, and it's crazy. It's trying to find a way to go under a bed. Okay guys, we're gonna put the cleaner right outside. Sally says, yay! We're gonna close it now. Whoa, that's fast. Okay, it's working now. It's gonna go. Don't vacuum me! Ah! Okay, it's just.
The power is low, so it's getting charged.
It's getting charged and look. Yeah, look at it.
Let it charge. See you in the next review.